gusto niya palang video. Ayaw niya ng ano.
Look at Tito John's video.
Oy, gabi niya. Parang gusto ko yan, parang magandang laruan niya. Tingnan mo ha, nakatingin talaga siya. Sabi, ay, hindi ba kayo makanin?
Hindi lang. Hindi namin malaman.
Ah. Isaw.
Yan.
Isaw.
Barbecue. They went back down there.
Galing nila. Bawal lang ano, yung anak ilalabas dito ka lang.
Bawal ilabas? Bakit?
Kasi kung sakali sigurong ano, mag-ano ka, mag-amok ka, hindi ka na nila masyadong
Wala, mahaba yung pila. Ito yung pila.
Yun lang ba? Pagod ka na, ako na lang pipila dito. Maganda pa rin yun. Masyado malapit, pangit na, no?
The Lens, celebrating Australian culture.
Kuha na lang ako sa'yo, mas maganda yan. Sa laptop na lang ako mag-upload na.
AFL brings everyone together. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. We all love the game. season's shaping up to be one of the closest in years. Cricket's not just a sport here, it's a way of life. From backyard games to test matches, it's in our blood.
On he's got him. First wicket in Test cricket. He's done it by hitting the stump.
My kids know the rule. No flags, no swim. It's the first thing we look for when we get to the beach. Australia's got some of the best waves in the world. From Bondi to the Gold Coast, there's a break for everyone. Canberra, Ngunnawal, the meeting place. Today, Canberra continues to be a meeting place for all Australians and visitors from around the world. Capturing the nation's imagination through visual art and design. Cultivating a curious spirit from a young age.
Bananas in pajamas, I'm up and down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'm up and down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'll chase the fairy bears. Because on Tuesday's day, I'd like to catch banana bears.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1? I think I am, B2.
Bananas in pajamas, I'm up and down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'll chase the fairy bears. Because on Tuesday's day, I'd like to catch banana bears.
A place for every story. A story for every place. A lens on Australia. Australia's inventions have shaped the world and captured its imagination. Step into the mind of the Australian innovative spirit.
Yan ang ulo.
Smart light bulbs, a win for the planet.
Parang ice cream. Ay, aray. Ang cute. Wave pa siya. Tara!
The pacemaker, a small device with huge impact. Revolutionising cardiology.
Parang dito. Cute naman. Gumagalaw-galaw.
The Ultrasound 1961, a breakthrough in medical imaging.
It's the Australian invention that allows us to connect pretty much anywhere at any time.
Wi-Fi, connecting the world. The Hills Hoist, built to last. A true Aussie classic.
Ay, yung ano, pusang bayan. Australian pala yan. Meron niya sa'yo. Ano yung rawa?
Heels hoist?
Voice nga.
Heels hoist?
May solar pan.
Walk to the beep and stay safe. The Victor lawnmower of 1952, the soundtrack of Aussie suburbia. The Kelly Game, the world's first feature-length film.
I'll tell you one thing, Australia's polymer banknotes are genuinely a breakthrough in currency design and security that every one of us should be very proud of.
Polymer banknotes, first issued in 1988. Technology exported to over 50 countries.
Recently lang.
Recently, pinatan pa nila yung mga image doon. Ginawa na lang hayop.
Google Maps, the modern-day compass. national identity, a celebration of the everyday, the quirky and the humorous. Australia is a nation of ideas, optimism and innovation.
Bakit lagi yung ganun kulay green? Yung pagbababa na sila.
Dapat merong flag.